Hello from Maine. This is the big storm of the century. At least that's what they're claiming it's going to be. Now, whether it's going to be in this area, I don't know. But it's piling up fast. The winds, some of the wind gusts that come through here sound like a freight train. Unreal. The trees are like bent half over, and the snow is just coming down in sheets. I couldn't even get out the front door. It was like over a foot. Front door, the whole back screened-in porch is all covered, almost a foot that blew through the screen. The the grill, the barbecue grill, is totally covered. Everything's just buried in snow. And yeah, I just wanted to show you real quick what it looks like. And I'm going back in the house real quick. You can probably see the snowflakes coming down. The wind's really blowing real bad. And I know in a couple spots, and that was just right here in front of the porch, the snow was over my knees. This is the front deck. That's as far as I could go. The snow is heavy. You can't even shovel it. A snow blowing machine wouldn't have a prayer. What a joke. And over there in that corner is buried a generator that's supposed to save my life when the power goes out. The trouble is, I don't know if I can even get to it. Oh, mama, but it is beautiful. It is beautiful. We had one brief power outage, just like went off and went right back on last night, and I'm hoping that there won't be anything major today. That's all I can say. I'll just have to deal with it somehow. But I have pioneer spirit, I always have. And there's our driveway. I don't even know if the plow guy is going to come out or just wait till this slows down a little, because he's going to have a heck of a load of snow to plow out here in front, plus the whole driveway. So I don't think you can really tell much. You have to be here. You have to see it. Okay, I'm going to walk right out here real quick, and that is it. It's snowing so bad I don't want the camera to get wet. It's like in sheets. It looks like the desert in some spots because it's like, waves, like winds in the desert. Instead, this is snow and big hills and mountains and waves of snow. Okay, over and out.